I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be bleaching a lace frontal wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you will never miss a single video. The products I will be using is BW2 bleach, 20 volume developer, Shimmers Light shampoo. The company name is called Original Queen Hair off of Amazon. This is what the packaging looks like. They do have their social medias on the back. A wig cap. This wig is 10 inches curly. This is what the wig looks like. A 4x4 lace closure wig. It comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, 1 in the middle with adjustable straps. This hair does not have a smell. Oh. You do get minimum shedding. This hair does not shed that bad though as other curly hair that I've been getting. No tangles. So I'm gonna pour my water into this container. I'm gonna pour 2 cups of this into the water. Basically, it's like the watercolor method. So now I'm gonna add my developer. So this is what the wig looks like. As you can see, it still holds the curls. And as I was washing the hair, it still got minimum shedding. Before I install this wig, I will be oiling my scalp with the Wild Growth hair oil.
You want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, yeah.